I invite my respected and beloved ma'am, Chapter Chairman of Amirpet, to give her welcome inaugural speech now.
Good morning, everyone. My pranams to all my gurus here, Anjaneyulu sir, Gopal Krishna sir, Ram Prasad sir, and Ramchandra sir, Kedar sir, Rajendran sir, and Prasad sir. So I'm very happy today. I can't express my happiness to see all my gurus here and all my students in the early morning. Thank you all so much for taking out time. Actually, we have planned this program just last week while we are conducting the exams. So that time we have planned. And Rana Garu has expressed like how can we do it in 1 week, madam? So I said, we have such a big family, ICAS family. So I feel like ICAS is my first family. So I said we can do it, and we did it today. See, seeing the strength here in the early morning, it is so much. So I expect more people to come in another 1 hour because today is elections time. I am very thankful to each and every student, my co-faculties and all my gurus. So the driving force behind this function is mainly Gopal Krishna sir and Anjaneyulu sir. They always tell me that we have to conduct some seminars, workshops regularly. So the students will get in touch with you all, and it is very important to have connection between seniors, juniors, and to get connected with the ICAS. So, and the arrangement I've seen, I've learned from Anjaneyulu sir. So everything he arranges perfectly. I've gone to Vizag, so how to arrange the events, sessions and all, sir has taught me very much. So I'm very thankful to all my gurus. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your valuable speech. Now, about Sri Gopal Krishna sir, I want to say a few words. It gives immense pleasure to invite Sri Gopal Krishna sir to the annual day celebration of Amirpet chapter of ICAS. He has 27 years of experience in the field of astrology and ICAS. I have been associating with our beloved Guru Sri Gopal Krishna sir for the past 4 years. He is a man of principles and vast exposure in the area of astrology. His learning skills are imparted to the students, ICAS, and the students are benefited through the sharing of his rich knowledge and experiences. He served ICAS as Chapter Chairman of Secunderabad, National Secretary of ICAS, and recently he was elected as National Vice President. His knowledge has been recognized and conferred with Jyotish Kaur, Jyotish Vachaspati, Jyotish Kalamani, and Jyotish Bhanu. Now I take privilege to invite him and request him to take the dais to deliver his experiences in the August gathering. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. All my students, they never give me any topic of astrology to talk. Only either inaugural address or welcome address or thanks. That means they have decided this man doesn't know anything at all. So that's a good thing. One advantage for me is all my students are very good, including our Jairam, Vani, Zikar, all these people. So I am happy for that. At least I don't need to make any presentations and other things. One thing I just want to tell my astrological friends, both seniors, youngsters, everyone, astrology is 100% correct. Absolutely. No two opinions on that. Only thing is, the blessings of Almighty is required both for the astrologer as well as client. So that is what I want to say. And second part of it is, yes, we have to get connected to all our members, both locally as well as nationally. That's what we have been trying to for the past 1.5 years. And we have been doing some digitalization of most of the things. It's not that easy because we have started in 1984, registered in Chennai. And behest of Dr. B.V. Ramanuji to spread the astrological knowledge to the educated class. And he was 100% correct because we only go to astrologers. So because all whatever may be our day-to-day things are things. Neither Vichapula nor Tapula, they don't go. Only we are. So he was 100% correct. Today, ICOS has spread to 51 centers. Just for 5 centers in 1986 to 51 centers. And one of them, the oldest is Secunderabad Padmanabhan 1, where our patron as well as naturalist Sri Kautalanthi Munarji was there. He started in 1986, that was just starting. We have seen him also here now. And now we have 51, including recently Durgapur, Raipur also. And we have 30,000 members, 20,000 life members. And 30,000 members as of the students also. And every year 3,000 students write the examinations. And our controller of examinations, Dr. Anil Garu is here. You know, he will also come here. They have been doing exemplary job for conducting the examination. I have not seen, except during pandemic, postponement, not cancellation of the examinations. Second Saturday of June, second Saturday of December. 3 to 6. This is what's going on almost for the past 30 years. So this is what ICOS is actually. That means all are honorary. Just now he was telling, we are all doing honorary, but we should have at this stage at least some settlement set up with some sort of office. Yes, we have, as far as he is concerned, he has already established COE office. But unfortunately, ICOS central office we don't have. So with his help and with the help of others, we have to start central office also. We are trying to establish that. With the support of our students, in fact, every event, without your support, as our one man told, without the support of the students, we can't do anything. I am again telling you. In 2007, we have done one seminar 2007. It was an excellent seminar, which was done with the help of many people, including all our students. Many of our here also, they have seen it. That was one of the best, appreciated by all the chapters actually. And that is all support of the students which have attended, especially we have to tell, I can't say beyond that, because one Mr. Jairam, in fact he worked day and night to prepare wonderful souvenir at that time. And we have not seen that set of souvenir before or after. In fact, that's what I was telling. Now, Ramchandra, we have that souvenir. We will reprint that one and we will arrange that one. That was the many articles he got it from various seniors and he has done it. It's a wonderful job. He has done it. And all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
Sir said a wrong thing that sir has so much of knowledge and he got so many titles. So sir has ocean of knowledge, so which one to take? So I always say I want the whole thing. So I asked sir to speak about ICOS.